welcome back to the channel, good friends. I have my trusty sidekick, well, she's going for a nap, I guess, by my side, and I'm back to work on the Honda Pilot. There are only 3 areas that have a chrome-like finish or a stainless, polished stainless steel look to it, so I still need to take care of them. And I've been working with a metal polish. We just finished with a motorcycle, and one of my guys was very happy with the polish that we chose. So we're going to use that today. We don't have a whole lot to do, but let's get started with the video. So on the Honda here, the front grille area, the stainless pipes, which need attention. See if we can make those look a little bit better. And this back piece right here above the license plate have a chrome or a polished look. And what I want to show you today is the Mr. Cartoon all metal polish with a little bit of ceramic in there from Turtle Wax. And I was a little bit impressed with the tire coating. The quick wax works fine. And Mr. Cartoon is a sort of a spin-off celebrating West Coast artist, I believe. If I'm wrong about that, please correct me. But the products are surprisingly impressive so far. Let's keep going with the metal polish, see how it performs. I have 2 microfibers, a very old B/C tier, and I have this edgeless, very low nap towel that I like to use for metal polishing. And we simply shake the polish up, get a good marble or paintball sized ball on the microfiber, wrap it around my fingers, I spread it out on the metal, and then just start to polish from there. And with the mileage and the year, I would just be happy if they clean up a bit. These 2 pieces up here, the trim pieces at the grill area and back here above the plate, I want them to really, really shine and be protected. As I mentioned, this does have a bit of Sio2 in the formula, so you get your cleaning, your shining, and protection. And then what I'll do is just move the towel around to a clean area, load up, and rinse and repeat those steps. You can use a drill-operated polisher if you want. There's not a whole lot of surface area down here for me to break that out today, so I thought I would just do it by hand. I got it up on the plastics here by accident. Wiped right off. I'm sure though if you let it dry in those plastics, let it seep in and dry, you'd have a little bit of a problem cleaning that out. So I'll get really messy right here. Leave it on the plastics for a little bit and we'll see. Had a lot of rust around this ring area here, especially on the edge. Let's see if we can work that off of there. Staining from heat, a little bit of rust. Oh yeah. A little bit of elbow grease is getting this. All right. Look at that, wipes right off. Okay, so from there, we'll bring in the second microfiber to remove the residue. Now leave behind a little bit of ceramic SiO2 to protect the chrome. I would just polish regularly to keep it looking shiny and protected. Feels smooth. The metal feels really smooth compared to when I started. Let's see how she looks. Okay, good except for staining, where moisture was dripping down from the bumper onto this tip while it was hot, very hot, and stained that. I'm not sure if that is going to come off really. Let me work that area one more time. Everything else looks great to me. Maybe if I get something a little bit more aggressive than this microfiber, it'll dig deep into that metal and get it shiny. Oh, not needed. It's coming off. If I would give this a third pass here, that would come off completely without having to get something really aggressive. No need to break out the 000 wool, steel wool. There we go. Yeah, that works very well. So we're going to go from that to that. A nice difference. Let's work up here on these trim pieces. Again, the vehicle's been washed and deconned. Up here should be very quick and easy. I'm just looking for it to brighten this area up. Grabbed a new microfiber, not new, but clean. And I'll just go over this area, make sure I have even coverage so that protection gets on there. But I want to do I want to brighten up the chrome finish. I believe all it is plastic with a layer of chrome finish on top of it. Probably start peeling in a couple of years anyways, but until then, let's make it look good. Wipes off easy enough. Leaves behind a nice, silky, smooth surface. Yeah, that looks good. A lot brighter, a lot cleaner looking. No stains, no water spots. Let's jump to the front and get the grill area. And finally, we have this trim piece around the grill to get. And that's really all there is when it comes to polished, shiny metal surfaces. Again, this is, I'm sure, just a plastic piece with a chrome overlay, which could start peeling any day. I really don't see that happening too much on the Hondas here. I see it on Dodge. I see it on some Fords in the grill area. But unless they're really neglected. Bug guts is going to be the problem up here. So just take your time. Go around the chips you can't do anything about. The rock chips, it's too late for that. They're already there. The bug guts, like here and here, well, it makes quick work of those. But you got to catch them. Just take your time and use the angle of the light to see them first so you can remove them. And that should do it. Then we'll come in with the other microfiber. Mop that, what's left, mop it up. Get it off of there. Yeah, it wipes off easy enough, and it sure feels nice and smooth after you've wiped up the residue. And then you can obviously work this badge here as well. But that looks good. Okay, good friends, not a whole lot of polished and chrome areas on this thing, but the little that there is, we now have looking really nice and bright, shiny, and protected. When it comes to the protection on this stuff, when it's in the formula of a polish, I'm pretty sure by now you would know not to expect a whole heck of a lot when it comes to durability. But I do see some beading. How long that lasts is going to depend greatly on how much you use the vehicle and what it's exposed to. On motorcycles, as you can imagine, a ton of chrome polished metal, especially on Harleys and some of the other bikes out there. Just absolutely beautiful, but really a lot of work to keep it looking that way. So on this one here, we're going to use the metal polish from Turtle Wax to clean and protect at the same time. That includes any polished chromed areas, the handlebars and forks, wheels, to the engine compartment, engine block area, and the running gear and the exhaust that gets very hot. They all will look good and be protected all the same. The motorcycle, just the same as a Honda Pilot. Get it up on there, massage it in a little bit, buff it, wipe off the residue. If you're happy with the results, move on. If not, go over the area a few times to really dial in the metal and the chrome look. That will do it, good friends, for this video. The Mr. Cartoon All Metal Polish, ceramic infused, restores, polishes, cleans, and protects all metal surfaces. Worked well for us. The employees like it. I'll put a link down below if you want to look into it a bit further. This has been Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.